Hi, this is Cheryl at Hanover College Education Preparation Program, Student Services Office. Don't try to say that 3 times fast. This video today is to walk you through the process of purchasing your new Standard for Success subscription. So I'm in my student sandbox, and this particular one is decision point 1, but it would be the same for all decision points. You will see under your information there in red whether payment is due or the subscription is current. If your subscription is due, you will go up under your name here. Your name should be there on the right, and go under that to SFS subscription. When you click on that, it will again tell you what's currently due, the year that it's good for, so that make sure you are buying the year that you're concerned with. It's very rare that you would have an outstanding balance from last year, but given that it was a pilot year, it is possible. So if there's anything you see that you don't think is correct, you can do a support ticket, which is right here. So if you see this yearly subscription, you will hit the pay in full box. And it will take you to the payment screen. If you would happen to have Google Pay, I guess you can use that. Just make sure this is your correct address, your Hanover student email address, and then go ahead and do the information. If it's a parent's name and your name is not on the card, make sure you put your parent's name here and the appropriate zip code that the bill goes to for one of those credit cards. So you do need the CVC number, which is the 3-digit number on the back. If you want to save the information in your account, it is secured to do so. That would mean if you are a first-year student, you won't have to enter this all again. You will just authorize it next year if you want to use the same card. So the full year subscription goes through June 30th, it says here. I believe it actually goes through August to encompass the second summer session. I will talk to them about changing those numbers on that full year subscription so it's more accurately reflected, but don't have any worries about that. We'll take care of that on our end. So once you hit your stuff, you hit pay. Once you hit pay and it goes through, you will no longer see that amount due on your screen. It should show account is current or similar wording. So hope that helps and make things just a little bit simpler for you. I'll have more videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks so much. Bye.